What is up, beauties, and welcome back to Unapologetically Mercy. Today in this video, I will show you 2 turmeric masks, so let's get right into the video. So for this first turmeric mask, you're going to need some honey, raw honey if you got it. If not, it's cool. And then you're going to need you some turmeric, of course, the important ingredient that we're using today in this video. Aloe vera. You don't have to use this, but I just love using this aloe vera. And then we're going to just mix this all together in a little bowl, whatever you got on hand, okay? Now, if you've seen some of my videos, you know we don't do no portion size over here. We just go with the flow. So I'm just going to start adding everything. I only use a capful of aloe vera, and sometimes that is too much, and I have to go back in with more turmeric to make it more of a pasty base. And then we're going to go in with our honey. Okay, pour that in there. Then you're just going to mix that bad boy up until you get it to a nice paste-like consistency, so it's not too runny or it's not too watery once you put it on your face. Okay. So this is what we're looking like once it has been put on. I typically leave my mask on for about 30 minutes and then I rinse it off and clean my face. Okay. So this is what it looks like when it is dried. This is when I have too much turmeric in my mixture. High key. Make sure you have a towel that you can get your turmeric on because turmeric stains so easily, okay? So now that this beautiful face has been rinsed off of that turmeric mask, it is time to clean my face. So I start off with this Neutrogena Deep Cleanse, like gentle scrub, so it can help me get, that stuff out. Then I go in with this foam cleanser. I'm using Artistry brand. And then I'll go in with toner, but I don't have any toner on hand. And then I will go in with the vitamin E oil at the end. Okay. So this is what my face is looking like after the process. And I will do these same steps in the second mask that you will see in this video. Okay. So for the second mask, you'll need some Bentonite clay. You will need that same handy dandy turmeric, and then you will need some apple cider vinegar, and if you don't have this, you can use water instead. And make sure you have a nice container to mix all of the lovely ingredients together. And remember, we go with the flow, no specific measurements. Sorry. Make sure to start with the dry mixture first and then add in the wet stuff. When it comes to adding the apple cider vinegar or aloe vera, make sure that you do a little at a time and then mix before you continue to add it, so it's not too watery. And you want it to be a nice consistency so it can go on your face and not to be too watery or too hard, if you know what I'm saying. We're going to leave this mask on for 30 minutes and then we're going to come back and rinse it out and use the same products we used in the last mask video. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned until another Unapologetically Mercy video. Okay, so stay blessed, hydrated, and peace, one love, and high vibrations, and enjoy the rest of this video. Until next time, peace.